How to fix Modern Warfare 2 DETRICK GEILENKIRCHEN. 1. Try playing the MW2 game on your PS5 console, if you can. Note, you may need to turn on the crossplay option in the account and network temporarily. 2. Uninstall, install then re-update the game. Do not miss out on the required add-ons. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Verified existing MW2 files in your launcher program. Like this. 4. Unlink then relink your account. 5. For PC players, ensure your security software allow both the battle-related items and MW2-related processes through its settings. Note, you may try restoring your firewall settings temporarily or play MW2 in Windows Clean Boot. 6. Contact Modern Warfare 2 support. Last but not least, install any official patch from ATV Assist.